has been treated with a little bit of due care and attention. Now listen folks, it's your park and we want to take care of it. If Stuart was about to start tearing about at speed with this thing and doing sharp turns, he would rip the heck out of this turn. Like I say, it's your park. We tend to leave it pretty much as we find it. This thing I've got here, this control box, if I hit the button on this control box, it will cut out thunder tracks and the monster trucks. Different buttons for each one, but just a safety device that we like to have to hand. Okay, Stuart Thomas, you just seen this guy entertaining you with the wheelie cool bus. Now he's on his way with thunder tracks, dark crushing, monster mashing, demolition action. Yippee! Come on then, let him hear you, Stuart Thomas. Oh, tell you what, do you want to see it one more time? Okay. Designed and built by Scott May, folks, with a couple of his team members. Parts from all over the country, parts sent over from America. And once again, Stuart Thomas was picked for this one. He's on his way. Hold on to your hats. Bang! Oh, a fantastic lead. Get your hands together, folks. Stuart Thomas and Thunder Tracks. Yo!
People. Okay.